I'm Janice Gaine. I'm Michael Gaine's wife. I'd just like to say something about Michael, that he was my best friend, my husband. This whole thing has been devastating. And he loved his home, he loved his farm, he loved farming, he loved his animals, he loved rallying, he had lots of friends, he was a very popular guy, and his disappearance is totally out of character. Well, we knew that from day one. And if there is anybody that has any information about Michael, do please come forward and talk to the Gardaí. We just want Michael to come home. We want to know what happened to him. Because if we can't find Michael, I just don't know what I'm going to do, and what his family, his sister, Noreen. I just want Michael to come home.